All right, here we've got a cute little drill. It's double disc, it's 13 hole, which means the overall size of the box on this is 8 foot. It's John Deere, it's got a good ton. This brace has been welded, which is very common. This thing's a lot older than I am. That's old. It's 7-inch spacings. Like I say, double disc, double box. It's got, you can see in the boxes, it's got grass seed on the back. Grass seed, and this is a Fertilize. Nobody really uses it, but the Fertilize looks like it's not been used, which normally is in this area, but it's got the grass seed box right on it. It's got your seeding rate chart right on the bottom. Right there's your seeding rate chart for the big boxes. There's some drops. There's some drops in here that would go if you were using the grass seed down to your disc, so they're in the Fertilize box. But I know this thing is all original paint. These are original old seeding charts on both of them. Board's intact. It's got the drag chains. It looks like they're tied up so that when they're going down the road, it doesn't cause a problem. But really a hard to find little drill. Help yourself.